Structure design. The machine fully embodies the advanced, reliable, and rational design philosophy required by GMP for pharmaceutical equipment, with an emphasis on human-centered operation and minimizing human error factors during use. The automatic tube feeding, automatic tube color mark positioning, filling, sealing, batch coating, and finished product output are integrated into a linked design, where all actions are completed synchronously. Equipment operation. The heating temperature settings, production speed, fault displays, completed workload, and other parameters are directly shown on the operation panel, and adjustments to working parameters can be made directly on the panel. The operation station is equipped with an acrylic shield, and the machine features an overall open design, allowing operators to easily observe and monitor the equipment's running status at any time. Function adjustment. The machine is configured with different manipulators, enabling it to perform ultrasonic sealing for both all plastic tubes and laminated tubes on a single unit.